What to do in Rome for 5 days, must-visit destinations. Exploring Rome, Italy in 5 days. Visiting Rome for 5 days is an incredible experience when it comes to traveling in Italy. With a plethora of attractions and activities available, you can maximize your time in the Eternal City by exploring its stunning architecture, sampling its delicious cuisine, visiting local attractions, and immersing yourself in the charming atmosphere. Rome is a city like no other. It's a city that has been around for centuries and is packed with history, culture, and beauty. Whether you're looking to explore the ancient ruins of the Colosseum or sample the delicious local cuisine, Rome has something for everyone. You can discover many hidden gems while walking down the old cobble streets. Many surprises awaits you. This video will provide you with information you need to make the most of your 5 days in Rome. From what to see and do. This video will help you get the most out of your time in this eternal city. So let's get started on planning your ultimate 5-day Roman adventure. Rome is a city that has been around for centuries. It's a city with so much to do and see, it can be overwhelming. That being said, the best time to visit is during spring or summer, as these are the most popular times of year when crowds are smaller and attractions are open. However, if you'd like to visit in the fall or winter, then this could also work as well. Just make sure you call ahead of time to make sure the attraction you are interested in is open. Also, exercise caution, as there may not be many people around when visiting during off-peak seasons. Any time is a good time to visit when you plan ahead. What makes Rome, Italy a must-visit destination? Rome, Italy is a must-visit destination for anyone looking for a unique and unforgettable experience. From its beautiful architecture to its delicious cuisine, Rome is a city that offers something for everyone, from exploring the ancient ruins to enjoying the vibrant nightlife. It's got it all. Exploring Rome is truly a mesmerizing experience. From the renowned Colosseum to the breathtaking Trevi Fountain, there's no shortage of awe-inspiring sights to take in. With its rich history, stunning views, and unique culture, it's no wonder why so many people flock to this amazing city every year. Don't miss out on this incredible destination and take advantage of the many fantastic flight deals to Rome. Day 1, Exploring the ancient ruins of Rome, Italy. Rome, Italy is a city that is full of history and culture. From the ancient ruins to the bustling streets of the modern city, there is something for everyone to explore. For those looking to take a step back in time and explore some of the oldest ruins in the world, Rome is an ideal destination. Join us as we explore some of these amazing sites and learn more about their history and significance. One of the most visited ruins is the Colosseum, which was originally built by Emperor Titus Flavius Vespasianus, 69 to 79 AD, as an amphitheater for spectacles, games, public meetings. The Colosseum is one of Rome's ancient wonders and a must-visit for any visitor to Rome. It was built during the height of Roman power, and it served as an arena for gladiatorial combat as well as public spectacles such as animal hunts and mock battles. Day 2, Stepping into the world of Rome's art and culture is an amazing experience. Exploring its artistic and historical gems is quite special and worthwhile. Rome is a city full of art, culture, and history. From the ancient ruins to the Renaissance masterpieces, stepping into Rome is like entering a world of beauty and wonder. Exploring its artistic and historical gems can be an amazing experience that you will never forget. Whether you're admiring the Sistine Chapel or strolling through the Colosseum, you will be sure to find something special in this incredible city. So take a journey into Rome's art and culture and discover its many wonders. Day 3, Take a trip to explore the magnificent fountains of Rome, Italy. It's an absolute must-see. Rome is a city filled with beauty and wonder, and its magnificent fountains are a must-see. Take a trip to explore these stunning works of art and immerse yourself in the culture of the Eternal City. From the majestic Trevi Fountain to the iconic Piazza Navona, these breathtaking sights will capture your imagination and fill you with awe. Whether you're looking for a romantic evening stroll or an unforgettable day trip, Rome's fountains will offer something special for everyone. Trevi Fountain. This is one of the most famous fountains in Rome, and it is surrounded by statues of 4 mythological figures. You will find this fountain at the foot of the Spanish Steps, near Piazza Navona. This is a popular spot for tourists, and it's often crowded with people trying to take pictures of this beautiful sight. If you love water features, you will enjoy watching these fountains all day. Piazza Navona is a famous square in Rome. Piazza Navona is one of the most famous squares in Rome, Italy. It has a long and interesting history, having once been known as the Stadium of Domitian. The square has since been transformed into a beautiful public space featuring stunning Baroque architecture and art. From its historic fountains to its vibrant atmosphere, Piazza Navona is sure to delight any visitor to Rome. History. Piazza Navona is the last of the ancient piazzas in Rome. It was originally named the Stadium of Domitian, and before that it was known as the Circus of Nero. The most significant feature on this piazza is undoubtedly the Fontana dei Quattro Fiumi, Fountain of Four Rivers, which is adorned with a statue within a bull's eye. One side includes a representation of Tiber and its tributaries around Rome, while the other features 4 bronze figures representing rivers in central Italy. Day 4, Discovering the Treasures of Vatican City. Vatican City is a treasure trove of art, culture, and history. It has been a spiritual center for centuries and is home to some of the world's most beautiful works of art. From the Sistine Chapel to St. Peter's Basilica, Vatican City offers visitors an experience unlike any other. Visit the Vatican City and discover its rich history, art, and culture. Roman Catholic Church. In the year 27 BC, a Roman general named Octavian Augustus founded the city of Rome and later took the name of his newly created settlement as his own, Roma. His great-nephew, Octavius Augustus, became emperor in 27 AD. Soon after, Christianity became legalized by Emperor Constantine in 313 AD. This was also when Christianity began to be seen as just one religion among many and not a dangerous new cult that threatened the stability of society. Because of this change, Rome became significantly less hostile to new religions than previously. The Sistine Chapel is one of the most recognizable landmarks in the world. This chapel houses a ceiling fresco by Michelangelo that many consider to be among his greatest works. The chapel was opened in the year 1512, and this masterpiece has been on display ever since. Day 5, Exploring Ancient Rome and the Colosseum. Visiting ancient Rome is a journey into the past, full of history and culture. Exploring the Colosseum, one of the greatest monuments of the Roman Empire, is an experience like no other. From its grand architecture to its stories of gladiators and battles, there's something for everyone to appreciate in this ancient structure. A visit to the Colosseum will give you a unique perspective on Roman history and culture that can only be experienced firsthand. The Colosseum was originally built during the Roman Empire around 70 AD, but it has been restored many times since then. It is still open to visitors today, and is a popular destination for travelers around the world. These were only top things to do in Rome, Italy. But you should go exploring the city's unique site. These were only a few of the top things to do in Rome, Italy. But you should go exploring the city's unique shopping scene. And discovering delicious Italian cuisine and local specialties. Rome, Italy is a city of surprises and delights. From its world-renowned historic attractions to its buzzing shopping scene and sumptuous Italian cuisine, there's something for everyone in the Eternal City. With so much to do, you'll find yourself coming back time and again. So come explore the wonders of Rome, from discovering the unique local shops to tasting the local specialties. Your visit will be an experience you won't soon forget. These were only a few top things to do in Rome, Italy. But you should go exploring the city's unique shopping scene. And discovering delicious Italian cuisine and local specialties. The city of Rome is full of surprises. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and comment on this video. Thank you.